Hello there, it's Si here from Si Moto Photo. Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give a big shout out and thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel so far. For those of you that watch, that have been watching the videos since I've posted since December, you'll know that this channel's all about Triumph content, and sooner or later we'll be introducing some Harley Davidson content as well. But today's quite a special day. It's a bit different from the normal content of the channel. I'm going to pick up a new bike, and it's a bike that I've been wanting to get for a long time. I went back to, if we go back to 2018, I was at the motorcycle show at the NEC in Birmingham with a crowd of friends, and I came across a bike at that show that had been launched, and I instantly fell in love with the bike. But it's a ridiculous bike, and it's a bike that no one would need. It's just a bike. It's a quirky bike, and it's a bike that I just love to bits. I'm back to the show in 2019 with a bunch of friends, and I've seen it again, and I just loved it. And I knew at that point I needed to get one of these bikes at some point. So today I pulled the trigger on this bike about 6 months ago, and today's the day when I go and get it. So I'm going to take you with me and let you see what the bike is. Now, for those of you that are die-in-the-wool Triumph fans, don't worry, there's plenty of Triumph content coming. This is just a wee curveball, so I hope you like it, right? and I hope that I don't get too much abuse in the comments. But tell me what you think in the comments of the bike. Would you have one? Is it a ridiculous idea to get one? And give me some ideas of what I can do with this bike, because I just love it. I just absolutely love it. But if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'm on a quest to try and get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm nearly there. So please, if you like the video and you like the content, there will be some more content on this bike coming up. But as usual, there'll be plenty more Triumph content and plenty of Harley Davidson content. So if you like the channel, please subscribe. And morning I'll let you see what this new bike is. Awesome, man. We're at two wheels Honda. Let's head into the showroom. Come on. See what? Oh, I've got all the Triumphs outside. All the Triumphs and the Hondas outside. Here we are, Honda. Who would have thought? Right, let's go and head in and let's see what we've got here. Come on. Oh, look at that. What do you think it is? Amazing. Amazing. Right, what do you think it is? Two guesses. Let's reveal and see. Here it is, the Honda Monkey, 2023 Honda Monkey, 125cc, 150 miles to the gallon. More fun than you can shake a stick at. I just love it and I can't wait to do some miles on it. But thanks a lot for tuning into the channel. Si here from Si Moto Photo. Give us a wee like, give us a subscribe. As I say, there's loads of Triumph content and Harley Davidson content coming along, but there'll be some monkey content thrown in there as well. Thanks a lot everyone, take it easy and I'll see you in the next video.